Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE V20 and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So to get started you will want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. Once you see boot mode, which is this page right over here, you can let go of those keys and then only using volume up, you want to select middle option, Fastboot mode. So you can just kind of see when the arrow is in the middle. There's only 3 options right here, so when pressing volume up, it will go all the way down, then jump all the way to the top. So the second one from the top is obviously Fastboot mode. From there, press volume down to confirm it. And there we go. We are now in Fastboot mode, which you can see right over here. And this is a super kind of faint text. I'm gonna bring it closer to the screen or to the camera, and you can see it right now. So there we go. Anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, I believe we can hold the power key and this will turn off the device. So guess we'll find out in a second. Yep, and there we go. So this will now take us back to just a normal Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.